Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change downstate behavior for last train home. And to do this, we'll need to open our options, go for difficulty. Inside there's downstate behavior and you can switch it between normal, easy, hard, and that is all of the settings. You can also see what it does right here. So on easy we have soldiers can enter downstate repeatedly during a mission. Normal is each soldier can enter downstate once per mission. If they recover from downstate, the next time their health drops to 0. In die mission, they die immediately. And hard, downstate is disabled. The soldier dies immediately when their health drops to 0. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.